If your digestion is a mess, you don't know what else to do because you tried diet, supplements, medication, you're just confused because everybody says something different, ChatGPT, AI doesn't help either, and you want to know what works for your body, for your unique body that no doctor and no health guru on YouTube can tell you, then this video is made for you. However, if you're looking for very specific information right now, like the 3 best magnesium supplements or what to do, what to eat if you have gastritis or any other gut condition, I'll link you up a playlist here that you can hop on now that will serve you better. This video really is for the lost cases, and it actually gets you answers that are tailored to your gut and your digestion specifically. Now, I'm not going to sugarcoat this because it's going to be uncomfortable at first. We're not used to this anymore in the 21st century. It's not sexy in any way. You very likely will experience boredom, which is an essential gate to go through to reconnect with your gut feelings, because your body is talking to you 24/7. It gives you all the answers you need, and especially your next step. The reason why many of us are not hearing it anymore is because this century is very, very noisy. Not judging it in any way, just really need discernment and making those spaces for ourselves, because for most of us, our circumstances are not by default supporting us to be empowered and really come back to our optimal health, especially when it comes to chronic digestive problems. Issues. Now, enough talk. What I'm suggesting you to do, and I've done this with many one-on-one clients, and also myself, I come back to this over and over again. The ideal scenario, and I'm going to give you modifications in a moment, but ideally it would be to take one day, 24 hours off work, where you're not needed to be available on the phone, over the computer, no TV, and also ideally go somewhere else. That can be camping, that can be a vacation, Airbnb. Ideally it's not in a city, but really like deeply embedded in nature, so you can just go out barefoot, do your grounding, and also be away from people, crowds, family members, because they all engage you. So what we want is to lower the distraction in the outside. Nature is very soothing, it's not distracting. It actually brings you back to the soft whispering of your gut that is always there. We're just creating a condition, a container right now so you can hear it. Having said that, so you have this one day, 24 hours away. Ideally, you leave your phone in the car and tell people that you'll not be available. And then what you don't want to do is to focus intensely, like, how can I fix this? How can I fix this? I need to fix this. I have 24 hours, Laura. Let's go, let's go. Intuition, come on. No, all you gotta do is to trust and relax. Because in those moments when we're not forcing and trying hard, but rather just going about our day. So you created the container, your job is done. You go for walks, you take a shower, you relax. The only thing you not want to do is to distract yourself. So your phone is already in the car, the camping doesn't have any TV, your smartwatch is also in the car. And you don't bring books or any magazines either. You gotta go through natural this state of that we don't experience anymore, really, is boredom. Boredom is this gate where your nervous system starts to relax, and there's this uncomfortable feeling like, I should I be doing something? What am I doing here? Am I wasting time? The mind gets louder and louder until there's a certain point where you're like, you drop in. And that's when you naturally start to listen and to receive insights in what's your next healing step. And I assure you, I guarantee you, if you take this seriously, not too seriously, but if you create that container with care and you commit to this space and be in nature and just relax into it, you will get answers. Sometimes they're subtle. Maybe you're showering, brushing your teeth, and then, maybe I should stop doing, or maybe I could try this alternative treatment. Or a person pops into your mind that might be your next step. Or maybe there's an emotion now coming up that was triggering your gut issues. Maybe there's some traumas, grief, sadness, loneliness. This is also the time for allowing those emotions to be there and just hold them gently like we would hold your favorite pet or your child, knowing that it's all part of the journey. Now, on the practical note, for these 24 hours, I do recommend to let go and pause all kinds of supplements that you're taking. Just give it a break. I do not recommend you, obviously, to stop all your medication. That you need to discuss with your physician, with your doctor. But the idea is to keep it simple. Also when it comes to the food, mono meals, foods that are easy on the digestive system, soups, fruit, anything you can eat right now that is low maintenance, that is simple, and that feels good. So this is not the time to start experiment and triggering your gut with things that you know are not beneficial for you. Just easy and simple. Now, if you have a question about this or something was not clear, please ask me in the comments below. I'm happy to help. And if you commit to doing this, come back to this video and share with us what did you experience. Maybe 1 or 2 insights or what happened there. Also bring on the challenges. Oh, I got so bored. I couldn't stop. I needed to run to my car and just check my messages. I couldn't hold it any longer. I was crying for hours and just releasing emotions. Share it with us because it's part of all our healing journeys. Now, before you go offline, there's one thing I'm recommending to you. If you haven't seen it already and done it, it is a bit unorthodox. It is a way of directly talking to your body in a kind way and informing your body that it is well, that it is healthy. And this you can use as an anchor for these 24 hours. You can repeat the meditation. After you did it once with me, then you can repeat it offline. I'm going to link that meditation here for you to watch next and then go into your retreat. Even just a few hours in nature without your phone is a good first step until you can commit for the full day.